English Wellness Podcast.
Learn English and live well.
It's 9:12 a.m. You're sitting in a quiet office in London. The interviewer looks at you, smiles, and says, "So, tell me about yourself."
Oh no.
Your mind goes blank. Your heart is racing. You know English. You've studied it for years. But in this moment,
Nothing comes out.
exactly. And the worst part? That one question, that one simple sentence could change your life.
That's actually scary. Like, it's not even a hard question, but it feels hard.
Because it's not about English. It's about confidence. It's about knowing what to say and how to say it naturally.
Yeah, I've been there. Someone asks, "Tell me about yourself." And I'm like, my name is Leo. I am human.
And today, we're going to fix that.
Finally.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. I'm Mia, your host.
And I'm Leo. Hi, everyone. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're studying, commuting, or just relaxing, thanks for spending some time with us.
All right, I'm ready. Please save me from awkward introductions.
We're going to build this step by step. Super simple first, then natural, then confident. And by the end, you'll sound like someone people want to talk to.
Let's go.
Imagine this. You meet someone for the first time at a small coffee shop in New York. They smile and say, "Hi, nice to meet you."
Okay, basic.
What do you say?
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Perfect. That's your first phrase.
Simple.
Now listen carefully. Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice to meet you too.
Your turn. Say it slowly. Good. Again, but more natural this time. Nice. You're already doing it.
Okay, but that's just greeting. What about introducing myself?
We keep it simple. Always start simple. My name is, or I'm.
I'm Leo.
Exactly. Native speakers usually say I'm, not my name is.
So, I'm Leo. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That's a complete introduction already.
Wait, really?
Yes, and here's the truth most people don't tell you. Simple is powerful. Simple English, spoken clearly, is confidence.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. Now let's build a little more.
Okay.
After your name, you can add where you're from. I'm Leo. I'm from Manchester.
Ah, okay. I'm Leo. I'm from Manchester.
Your turn. Say it. Nice. Now connect it. I'm Leo, and I'm from Manchester.
That sounds smoother.
Exactly. That little word "and" makes you sound natural.
So small, but so important.
This is where most people fail. They speak in broken sentences instead of connecting ideas.
Yeah, I do that.
That's normal. Don't worry about mistakes. You're learning.
All right, what next?
Let's move to daily conversation. Imagine you're meeting a new colleague in an office in Chicago.
Okay, I'm nervous already.
They say, "So, what do you do?"
Oh yeah, that question.
You answer simply, "I work as a," or "I'm a."
I'm a designer.
Perfect. Or, "I work as a sales assistant."
Got it.
Now combine everything. I'm Leo, I'm from Manchester, and I'm a designer.
That actually sounds real.
Because it is. That's how people talk.
Okay, my turn. I'm Leo, I'm from Manchester, and I'm a designer.
Good. Again, but slower. Good. Now a bit more confident. Nice. You feel the difference?
Yeah, first time I was scared. Second time better.
That's progress. Small steps.
I like this.
Now let's make it more human, because real conversations are not robotic.
Right.
You can add feelings. I'm Leo, I'm from Manchester, and I'm a designer. I really enjoy creative work.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Exactly. People connect with feelings.
So not just facts, but personality.
Yes, try this. I really enjoy.
meeting new people.
Nice. Your turn. Good. Now full introduction.
I'm Leo, I'm from Manchester, I'm a designer, and I really enjoy watching movies and meeting new people.
That's strong.
Wait, I actually sound good.
You do.
Okay, what about travel situations?
Great question. Imagine you're at an airport in New York. You meet another traveler.
Okay,
They ask, "Where are you traveling from?"
I'm traveling from London.
Perfect. Or, "I just arrived from London."
That sounds natural.
Now they ask, "Are you here for business or vacation?"
Oh, I panic here.
Keep it simple. "I'm here for vacation," or "I'm here for work."
That's it?
That's it. No overthinking.
Okay, my turn. I'm Leo, I just arrived from London, and I'm here for vacation.
Nice flow.
I'm starting to feel confident?
Good, because now we go deeper.
Uh-oh.
Job interview level.
All right, let's do it.
The interviewer says, "Tell me about yourself."
The scary question again.
But now you're ready.
Okay.
Structure is simple. Present, past, strength. Example, I'm Leo, and I'm a designer based in Manchester. I've been working in this field for 5 years, and I really enjoy creating user-friendly designs.
Wow, that sounds professional.
But still simple.
Yeah, I understand everything.
Now you try. Start with, I'm Leo and... Good. Now add experience. I've been working. Now add feeling. I really enjoy. That's your full answer.
Okay, I see the pattern now.
That one structure can change everything.
Seriously, this is what I needed.
And listen, if you're enjoying this, take a second, like this video, and subscribe to the English Wellness channel.
Yeah, do it. Future you will thank you.
Because we're building real confidence here, not just grammar.
Facts.
Now, let's move into social situations.
Like meeting new friends?
Exactly. Imagine you're at a small gathering in London. Someone says, "So, what do you like to do in your free time?"
Oh, hobbies.
Yes, simple answer, I like to, or I enjoy.
I enjoy watching movies.
Nice. Add more. I enjoy watching movies and exploring new places.
That sounds interesting.
Because it shows personality.
Okay, my turn. I enjoy watching movies and meeting new people.
Good. Now say it naturally. Perfect.
This is actually fun.
Learning should feel like this.
Not like school.
Exactly.
So, let me try a full social introduction.
Go for it.
Hi, I'm Leo, I'm from Manchester, I'm a designer, and I enjoy watching movies and meeting new people.
That's smooth, natural, confident.
Not bad, right?
Not bad, that's solid. And to everyone listening, you're doing this with us. You're not just listening, you're building a new version of yourself.
Yeah, like a confident version.
Exactly.
But what if I make mistakes?
You will.
Great.
And that's how you grow. No one speaks perfect English all the time, not even native speakers.
That's true.
Confidence isn't perfection, it's expression.
That line hits.
Remember that.
I will.
Now, let's level up slightly.
Okay.
Instead of "I'm from Manchester," you can say "I'm originally from Manchester, but I currently live in London."
Oh, that sounds advanced.
But still simple.
I'm originally from Manchester, but I currently live in London.
Your turn. Nice. That word "but" shows contrast. Very natural in English.
Yeah, I like that.
Now, combine everything again, but smoother, more natural.
All right, let me try.
Take your time.
I'm Leo. I'm originally from Manchester, but I currently live in London. I'm a designer, and I really enjoy creative work and meeting new people.
That's a confident introduction.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Honestly, way better than the beginning.
That's the transformation.
From I am human to this.
Exactly.
All right, I'm convinced. Practice works.
And we're just getting started.
Wait, there's more?
Oh yes. In the next part, we're going to make your English sound even more natural, more fluent, and more powerful.
Let's go.
Stay with us.
You don't want to miss this.
Welcome back. Now we're moving from confident introductions to natural, flowing conversations. This is where English stops feeling like a lesson and starts feeling like life.
Finally, I've been waiting for this part.
Let's imagine you're at a networking event in New York. Someone comes over and says, "So, what do you do?"
Oh, job question again.
Yes, but now you can make it sound relaxed, friendly. Instead of just saying, "I'm a designer," you can say, "I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people."
Whoa, that actually sounds interesting. Like, I'm proud of it.
Exactly. People notice passion. Try it slowly.
I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people.
Nice. Now say it faster, natural, like a real conversation.
I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people.
Perfect. You can even add a little story. For example, I recently worked on an app that helps people find nearby cafes quickly.
Oh, storytelling makes it sound alive.
Yes, that's the secret. People remember stories, not facts.
Got it. So simple fact plus story equals engaging English.
Exactly. Now, travel situations. Imagine checking in at a hotel in London. The receptionist asks, "Do you have a reservation?"
Simple answer, yes I do.
Yes, but you can expand it naturally. Yes, I have a reservation under Leo Smith.
I have a reservation under Leo Smith.
Perfect. Add a friendly smile and you're golden.
Okay, what about small talk while waiting in line?
Good question. Always safe. Weather, surroundings, or general mood. For example, busy day today, isn't it?
Busy day today, isn't it?
Perfect. Add a little personal touch. Yes, I'm traveling for work, but it's exciting.
Ah, so you give a little story.
Exactly. People connect with you that way.
All right, let me try full conversation. Hi, I'm Leo. I'm originally from Manchester, but I currently live in London. I'm a designer, and I love creating things that make life easier for people. Busy day today, isn't it? Yes, I'm traveling for work, but it's exciting.
That's very natural.
Feels good.
Now, let's talk about social anxiety. Many learners freeze because they overthink.
Yeah, that's me.
Here's the trick. Focus on curiosity, not perfection. Ask questions, listen, respond naturally. For example, "So, what do you enjoy doing in London?"
Oh, I enjoy exploring museums and trying new restaurants.
Exactly. Then follow up. That sounds amazing. Have you tried the Tate Modern?
Yes, engaging, not memorized.
Yes. Real conversations equal curiosity plus sharing plus listening.
I like that formula.
Now, let's move to advanced linking words for fluency. And, so, because, but, however.
I always mess up with those.
No worries. Here's an example. I'm a designer and I love creating things that help people because it makes my work meaningful.
I'm a designer and I love creating things that help people because it makes my work meaningful.
Nice. You see how because connects the ideas smoothly?
Yeah, sounds like I'm thinking in English.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Okay, next.
Now, office conversations. Imagine your manager asks, "Can you tell me about the project you're working on?"
Oh, panic moment.
Keep it simple. Structure. Project, task, result. I'm working on a marketing app. My task is designing user interfaces. So far, we've increased user engagement by 20%.
That's clear. Let me try. I'm working on a travel website. My task is designing pages, and so far, bookings have increased by 15%.
Perfect. You're now speaking like a professional.
Feels good to express numbers and results. Makes me sound confident.
Yes, and even in daily life, numbers or small examples make your English real and believable.
Ah, storytelling plus facts equals credibility.
Exactly. So, what about mistakes?
Everyone makes them. Don't pause too long, correct gently, and keep going. That shows confidence. Got it. confidence greater than perfection.
Now, let's practice small airport conversation.
Okay,
Officer, do you have anything to declare?
I have personal items only.
Add a friendly smile. Yes, I have personal items only, just clothes and a laptop.
Yes, I have personal items only, just clothes and a laptop.
Perfect, smooth and polite.
It's amazing how small phrases change the vibe.
Exactly, small improvements create big impact.
Next, social situations?
Yes, meeting new people at a party in London. So, how do you know the host?
I'm a friend from work.
Better, I'm a friend of Sam's from work. We collaborated on a project last year.
Add story. Okay. I'm a friend of Sam's from work. We collaborated on a project last year.
Perfect, people love details.
I see. Not too much, not too little. Just enough to be interesting.
Exactly.
All right. I feel like I can actually talk in English now.
You already can, but practice daily. Every morning, night, or commute, talk to yourself, repeat phrases, or imagine conversations.
Yeah, this is where real improvement happens.
And remember, even one sentence can change everything.
True. Like that first interview introduction could change your life.
Exactly. And you've already taken the first step by listening, practicing, and caring.
Thanks, Mia. I feel inspired.
And to everyone listening, you're doing amazing. Speak daily, make mistakes, learn from them, and your English will grow naturally.
Yeah, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to English Wellness. Keep practicing with us.
Because next time, we'll make your English not just good, but unforgettable.
Can't wait for that.
For now, go ahead, introduce yourself to someone today. Even if it's just a mirror, do it.
Yes, every small step counts.
You're growing, you're confident, and this is just the beginning.
All right, see you next time, everyone. Keep speaking, keep learning.
Exactly. Remember, your voice matters, your story matters, and your English can make it shine.
Let's make it happen. See you in the next episode.